Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to 6th Gear Auto. My name is Sam. We are at Cars and Coffee TGE. I've been here a few times. This is a good one always, though. And today is just going to be all car events. So this is going to be either one really long video or just cut into segments. Either way, going to be fun. Got the Z4 parked up with a teal-wrapped M4. Nice ZR1 rolling through. Got the FRS and the M2. Got the, I think it's like 800 horsepower CTSV, something crazy like that. We've got Naveed rolling in the M5, followed by an M4. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Doing pretty good.
Hey,
that's pretty mean looking. Now this is cool. Classic Hako Skyline on nice work-equipped wheels, 4-spoke. You don't see pretty much any Hakos. There are 2 in the area though, and I could not be more happy. We've got a 488, and then we've got an Alfa Romeo GT. I think it was I know the Spider is the other version, but this thing I actually love. I'm looking at one of these when these become legal in more of the country at least. We've got a Portofino, AMG GTR, GT3 RS, 458, 488. Real nice spec on this F430 with the blue and red striping next to an all red with tan. We've got over here the ZR1 that was driving by with an Audi RS7 with the performance pack. We've also got the Captain America wrapped C8 Corvette and an AC Cobra. Also, just a reminder, I do have my own merch shop now. Go pick up a shirt like this, a few of my favorite things shirt with the ABS light and the traction control light. I keep adding new designs to it pretty much every few weeks. So yeah, buy yourself something nice. Got a Chalk GT3, an old Stingray 427, a classic Thunderbird, and then this is a real special one, an old 190 SL Mercedes. VF Engineering Supercharged R8. We've got a military or police vehicle, but we've got something else that's pretty cool. We've got a Local Motors Rally Fighter here. It's rattle canned. Oh, it's a drift car, it looks like. Scat Pack. There we go.
Put my man in the slight yellow right there.
Calvo Motorsports TA. So this is a car I actually didn't expect to see. This is pretty much one of my favorite brands. This is an old Morgan Aero 8, if I remember correctly. We've got Steve POV's Hako GTR and the wide body Ferrari 458. Birch green. Really nice spec on this Ferrari Roma. The dark silver over red. I know I'm biased obviously with my car being a similar spec, but this one's seriously pretty. I do love that this is literally just the 3 Series shifter in it. Like, you can do so much with it, but they kept the 3 Series shifter in the Morgan. Yeah, time to head over to the next meet of the day. Heading over to the next meet now. Gotta meet up with one of my friends. I'll see you at the next meet. Well, we made it to the next meet. People are going crazy through here because it's a multi-floor car park and it's making it so everyone echoes. Oh, it already sounds like a good time. We got Bad Vice. Oh yeah. How did I beat you here? How did I beat you here? We got the SLR. God, those are pretty. We've got an SLS AMG. Beautiful. We got Stick GTR. Taking that old Nismo style wrap on this one. Jesus. This thing is crazy. Some type of Polaris off-roader. That's pretty crazy looking. We've got a few GTRs. Viper with an ACR wing. That's pretty cool. Got a red LFA, which is one of the few colors I haven't seen. Damn, this looks pretty. Oh yeah.
You know,
I like that the Corvette's plate's COVID-19.
well, you're only writing it.
Donovan's car. We got Steve rolling in with the Hako and the wide body 458. But these two colors are, I'd say these are some of Lambo's best colors. We need more blue Lambos. So the owner of this has, what was it you said? He's got this, the Veilside RX-7, a 458,
and a white 450.
so he's got good taste in cars is what I'm hearing.
He's on Instagram.
Yeah, London to Dallas, right? Yeah. We got Wally, Bulldog, and this wide Cayman. That is so pretty. Swan neck spoiler. We've got Allen's Pista. Red interior, silver stripes. Jesus, those tires are so wide though.
Yeah.
Those tires are literally wider than if I put both of my front tires together. That's a good spec.
Look at the rear diffuser.
That's a good spec.
Look at the rear diffuser.
Oh, I love it.
I like that kind of old school stuff.
Old school is always a good way to go with classic.
Right?
Yeah.
A few of my favorite things.
Rolls-Royce Ghost with the floating center caps.
Right. Did you like the one?
Yeah. See the seats in that though?
Enthusiast possibly has a dream of owning a V12. Bad idea. That you just need to know to stay away from.
Bait car.
That guy really.
My heart. It's a death trap. I need 50. That's. Yeah, that's. Yeah. Jeez.
Wonder why I got so hot sitting there.
Because no ventilation.
But we've had.
So for an unknown person, how much is that Skyline?
Very expensive.
It's like 100? Why is this so valuable?
I won't want to straight pipe it. Off to another car meet. So let's keep this going. here. Well, this is a bit unexpected. Just pulled up and now there's a classic XK 120 Jaguar that just showed up. That is pretty. That is a whole different level of classic.